In today's class, we will learn how to create a database view. So database view is a virtual table that shows combined data from one or more table without storing it separately. So first go on T-Code SC11. Now give the database view name. You are creating a custom database view. That's why your first letter should be either start with Z or Y. Z first DB name. Click on create. Select here the choose view type, that is 4 views are coming: database, projection, maintenance, help view. We are going to create a database view, so select database view, click on this radio button and give a short description: database view creation. Now you need to give two tables. So how to establish a relation between the two tables? Give a table that is EKKO. Now after that, click on relationship. Automatic all the relationship with EKKO table will come. So here shows EKKO with KNA1. Each and every relation will show. So select what relation you want to establish here. I want to become EKKO and EKPO. See, here is the EKKO and EKPO. EKKO is a header and EKPO is a item table. Click on this. Automatic all the keys are cam. Like in EKKO, MMDK, EBLN, these fields are common in both the table EKKO and EKPO. After that, go on view field, click on table field, select EKKO. Whatever the field you want to select, like I am selecting MANDT, EBELN, BUKRS, that is company code, BSTYP, BSART. After that, go on second table, that is EKPO. Select EBELP, select this one, select this one. If you want to give some conditions, then you can write the condition here also on the select statement. That is on what condition you want to filter your value. Then save it, save as a local object. Here also save it, check it. This is a warning, you can ignore or activate it. See. After that, do effect. See. Whatever the field we have selected, all the data are coming in our view. This one is client, MNDT, purchase document, COD, see, all the values are coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 fields we have selected and all the fields are coming with values. So in this way, we will create a view. View is a virtual table. We can only see, we can't perform any operation on it. So if we create a database view, then we must need to select a two table. It is mandatory. And we can also give select conditions. And here, see, in EKKO, MNDT field is common. In EKPO also MNDT is common. So all the common fields are come automatically while you establish a relation with first table to second table. That's all about today. We will discuss further in more class. Thank you.